Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the all-in-one divergence indicator for MT4. This tool automatically scans price against a wide range of oscillators and highlights regular and hidden divergences in one place, so you don't need separate divergence indicators for each oscillator. In this video, you will see how the divergence signals appear on the chart, how the multi-oscillator engine works in a single window, and which key inputs you can configure to match your own style. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL inputs. And just like that, we have it installed. On the chart, the all-in-one divergence indicator plots divergence signals in a separate window and or directly on price using dots, lines, or small labels that connect swing highs and lows with the chosen oscillator. You will see bullish divergence marked where price makes lower lows while the oscillator makes higher lows, and bearish divergence where price makes higher highs while the oscillator makes lower highs, clearly mapping those mismatches. Because the tool can also show hidden divergence and trendline style continuation information, the display gives you a visual map of both potential reversal and continuation setups without you having to manually draw every line. As for the settings, let's take a look at the inputs. The OSC parameter lets you select which of the built-in oscillators you want to use for divergence detection, covering up to 30 options including RSI, MACD, Stochastic, CCI, Momentum, and others. TH and TL inputs toggle bearish and bullish divergence detection, while trend up, trend down, and trendline options control whether support and resistance style lines are drawn to reinforce the trend context. You can also trade on your preferred time frames and choose your preferred colors as well. As for who is for, the all-in-one divergence indicator is ideal for traders who rely on divergence but want a single flexible engine instead of multiple separate RSI, MACD, or stochastic divergence tools cluttering the chart. It is a visual and alert tool only, does not execute trades, and because it can generate frequent signals, especially on lower time frames, you still need to filter setups with higher time frame context, confluence, and strict risk management. You can download the all-in-one divergence indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a powerful way to monitor divergences from many popular oscillators inside a single configurable indicator window. If you like divergence-based tools that streamline your analysis, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.